now call upon the Secretary of Cultural Affairs, Government of Kerala, Srimati Rani George IAS, to welcome the gathering.
Honorable Chief Minister of Kerala, Sri Oommen Chandy, Honorable Minister for Rural Development, Planning, Culture and Norca, Sri K.C. Joseph, Honorable Minister for Tourism, Sri A.P. Anil Kumar, Honorable Minister for Health and Devaswam, Sri V.S. Shivakumar, Honorable MLA, Sri K. Muralidharan, Honorable Chief Secretary to Government of Kerala, Sri E.K. Bharat Bhushan, Honorable Chairman and Festival Director, Sri Padma Shri S. Priyadarshan, Honorable Guest of Honor, Srimati Shabana Asmi, Honorable Mr. Carlos Sora, Honorable Srimati Manju Warrior, Honorable Vice Chairman, Chalachitra Academy, Sri Gandhimati Balan, Deputy Director, Festival and Artistic Director of the Festival, Srimati Beena Paul, Secretary and Executive Director, Sri S. Rajendran Nair, Sabu Cherian, Chairman, Kerala State Film Development Corporation, Sri Suresh Kumar, Chairman of Welfare Board, and other distinguished guests and dear friends. കേരളത്തിന് അഭിമാനകരമായ ഒരു മുഹൂർത്തം കൂടി. 18ാമത് അന്താരാഷ്ട്ര ചലച്ചിത്രമേളയ്ക്ക് ഇന്ന് തിരശീല ഉയരുകയാണ്. ഇന്ന് നമുക്കിവിടെ കേരളത്തിന് പുറത്തു നിന്നും വിദേശത്തു നിന്നും വളരെയധികം ഡെലിഗേറ്റ്സ് എത്തിച്ചേർന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ സ്വാഗതം ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലാണ് പറയുന്നത്. The 18th International Film Festival of Kerala is all set to begin with the Honorable Chief Minister of Kerala inaugurating the event and lighting the auspicious lamp. When we enter the 18th edition, the festival has earned wide appreciation and has become a major cultural and tourism event in Kerala. The delegates are eagerly waiting for the acclaimed films from all over the world. The festival has grown into a platform for artists and delegates to discuss and debate cinema. The Honorable Chief Minister of Kerala would be inaugurating the festival. Leading the developmental activities of the state, he has been a source of support in organizing the 18th edition of the festival. Being the Honorable Minister for Cinema as well, we are greatly privileged to have our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Oommen Chandy to inaugurate the festival despite his various engagements. On behalf of all of us, I extend a warm welcome to Sri Oommen Chandy, the Honorable Chief Minister of Kerala. The inaugural function is presided over by Sri K.C. Joseph, Honorable Minister for Rural Development, Planning, Culture and Norca. We are honored by the presence of the Honorable Minister, who also as Minister for Cultural Affairs contributes to the conservation and protection of the cultural heritage of Kerala. I would like to extend a hearty welcome to Sri K.C. Joseph, Honorable Minister for Rural Development, Planning, Culture and Norca. We have the presence of Honorable Minister for Tourism, Sri A.P. Anil Kumar, for releasing the festival catalogue. The International Film Festival of Kerala has found a place in the tourism calendar of Kerala, God's own country. We are happy to extend a warm welcome to Sri A.P. Anil Kumar, Honorable Minister for Tourism, who has been taking Kerala to the next level in the tourist map of the world. The Honorable Minister for Health and Devaswam, Sri V.S. Shivakumar, would be releasing the book on Mr. Carlos Sora. He has been a constant support for the events in Trivandrum. On behalf of all of us, I welcome Sri V.S. Shivakumar, Honorable Minister for Health and Devaswam. The daily bulletin will be released by Sri K. Muralidharan MLA. As MLA of the constituency, he has been actively involved in the activities of the constituency and has been a support to the organizers. I extend a warm welcome to Sri K. Muralidharan MLA. The Chief Secretary of Government of Kerala, Sri E.K. Bharatbhushan, would receive the daily bulletin. As head of the administration and also with his previous experience in the field of culture as Principal Secretary of Cultural Affairs, he has been supporting the event. On behalf of all of us, I welcome Sri E.K. Bharatbhushan, Chief Secretary of Kerala. The film festival would be introduced to the August gathering by Padma Shri S. Priyadarshan, Festival Director and Chairman of Kerala State Chalachitra Academy. Beginning with Malayalam cinema, he has become a noted director all across India and has won several accolades for his contribution to the cinema world. I would like to extend a hearty welcome to Padma Shri S. Priyadarshan, the key person behind the 18th festival. Our guest of honor today is Srimati Shabana Azmi. As an actress, she has always portrayed the characters with her fine acting caliber. Recipient of national and international film awards, she is also very active in the social life of the people of India. Honored by her august presence, on behalf of all of us, I extend a hearty welcome to Srimati Shabana Azmi. Internationally acclaimed filmmaker Mr. Carlos Saura is with us today, and we are bestowing him with the Lifetime Achievement Award. His 50 years as a filmmaker has contributed to the cinema world through his Spanish films touching upon the contemporary realities, historical memories, and artistic roots of Spanish cultural heritage. With several international awards like Silver Bear in Berlin Festival, Special Jury Award in Cannes, and Oscar nomination to his credit, we are greatly privileged by his presence, and on behalf of all of us, I extend a warm welcome to Mr. Carlos Saura. The book on Mr. Carlos Saura would be received by Srimati Manju Warrior. She has proved her acting caliber through Malayalam cinemas, which she did for a short period. But she has won a permanent place in the hearts of all through the roles she portrayed, and people have been longing to see her back in the cinema world. I extend our wholehearted welcome to Srimati Manju Warrior. The citation for the Lifetime Achievement Award to Mr. Carlos Saura would be read by Sri Gandhimati Balan, Vice Chairman of Kerala State Chalachitra Academy. A renowned film producer, he has been actively involved in organizing the festival. I would like to extend our welcome to Sri Gandhimati Balan. Srimati Beena Paul, Deputy Director, Festival and Artistic Director of the festival, would be introducing the jury. With her experience in the previous festivals, she is the person behind the selection of films that reflects the diverse taste of the audience. We could say she is the creative person behind the festival. I would like to formally welcome Srimati Beena Paul to this event. I would also like to welcome Jury Chairman, Mr. Arturo Ripstein, who is here with us today. Also noted filmmaker, Marco Bellocchio, who is also with us today. We have here with us Chairman of Kerala State Film Development Corporation, Sri Sabu Cherian. I would like to extend welcome to Sri Sabu Cherian. We have Sri G. Suresh Kumar, noted producer and Chairman of the Welfare Board. I would like to extend a hearty welcome to Sri G. Suresh Kumar. Sri Idavela Babu of Amma, Sri Ramachandra Babu of MACTA, Sri B. Unnikrishnan of FEFCA, Sri Nandakumar of Film Chamber, and Sri Milan Jalil are also here with us today. I would like to extend a warm welcome to all of them. Sri S. Rajendran Nair, Secretary of Kerala State Chalachitra Academy and Executive Director of the festival, would propose the vote of thanks. He has been actively involved in organizing the festival and has been striving to take the festival to the next level. I would formally welcome Sri S. Rajendran Nair. We have the inaugural event, the cultural event after the inaugural ceremony, which is coordinated by noted film producer Sri M. Ranjit. We also have with us eminent jury, noted filmmakers and representatives of the film fraternity with us. Also, we have with us the members and staff of Kerala State Chalachitra Academy and the committee members who all have put in their effort to make the 18th edition of the festival a success. I also take this opportunity to extend a warm welcome to all delegates, the media, and the public who all have joined hands for the 18th edition of the festival. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. May I now invite the Chairman, Kerala State Chalchitra Academy, Padma Shri Priyadarshan, to address the gathering and formally introduce the festival.